how to get $100 promo code on eBay. So let's get started. The first and easiest way to find $100 promo code for eBay is to search directly on Google. Type in eBay promo code or eBay discount codes and you will see a list of websites offering promo codes. Now all you have to do is go to trusted coupon websites like RetailMeNot, Honey, Coupons.com or Groupon. These sites regularly update their promo codes and often feature eBay discounts that can save up to $100. Now simply scroll down and look for the offer according to your preferences. Once you find a valid promo code, copy it and paste it into the gift cards coupon and eBay bucks box at checkout. You will see the discount applied to your total. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.